It's time for another members only giveaway. I truly appreciate all of your memberships to the channel. And this time, I'm giving away this Mattel Creations. I think it was just through the Red Line Club, if I remember right. It's a Chevy Impala, 64 Impala. And yeah, it's a lowrider. This thing's gorgeous. You know, metal on metal, real riders. I think I can get it out of here. That's interesting. Peel off. Okay. But check this out. This is just beautiful. Look at the speakers in the back. I don't know if you can see that here. But as I recall, yeah, this has the adjustable suspension. Man, I don't know how I want to get that back one. Let's do a toothpick. Yeah, there we go. It has the adjustable suspension. How trippy is that? Oh, now I understand this chromish looking thing with the peel off. It's so you can put the car on it and see under it. This is great. What's that sound? Oh, I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if it'll focus. Amore 64 is the license plate. That's great. Anyhow, this thing, the interior's cool. This thing's a trip. It's just a trip. Anyhow, I will do the drawing here right after this. It will be the second part of this video. So good luck, everybody. Okay, it looks like we're recording. So this is the members only giveaway of the Hot Wheels 1964 Chevy Impala Lowrider with the adjustable suspension, which is pretty cool the way they did it. Thanks again, all of you, for being members. You may see we have 5 participants this time. I truly appreciate your support for the channel. It helps me do these silly little things. Anyhow, let's see who wins this one. Round it goes. And the winner is JC Hayes. Congratulations. I will double check your address with you and get this out in the mail to you. Thanks again.